Is your Gmail inbox full of promotions and social emails, and you keep missing important messages? Don't worry, here's a simple fix. First, open your Gmail account. At the top, you'll see tabs like Social, Promotions, and Updates. These tabs can clutter your inbox and hide important emails, so let's remove them. Click on the Settings icon in the top right corner. Then click on See All Settings to open the full settings page. Now go to the Inbox tab, and here you'll see options like Promotions, Social, and Updates. Simply uncheck all of them. Next, to make sure your important emails appear first, look for Inbox type. Click on the drop-down in front of it and select Important first. Now scroll down and click on Save Changes. Done. Your inbox is now clean, and your important emails will always be on top. Follow for more quick tech tips.